Ever wonder if your credit score is like looking in a funhouse mirror? A distorted reflection of your true financial health? Well, if you get your credit score from Transunion, you might be asking yourself exactly that. Today, we're diving deep into the world of credit bureaus and figuring out, is a Transunion credit score truly accurate? For those of you credit newbies out there, a credit score is a 3-digit number that lenders use to assess your creditworthiness. Basically, the higher the score, the better your chances of getting approved for loans, credit cards, and even renting an apartment. So, yeah, it's kinda a big deal. There are actually 3 major credit bureaus in the US, Transunion, Equifax, and Experian. Each one collects information about your borrowing habits, like your payment history, credit utilization, fancy term for how much credit you're using compared to your limit, and the length of your credit history. They then use this info to generate your credit score, but here's the catch, their calculations can differ slightly. So, is a Transunion score less accurate than the others? Not necessarily. Think of it like different fashion brands. A size medium in one store might fit a little snugger than another. They all use similar measurements, but the cut can vary. Here's why your Transunion score might show a different picture compared to your Equifax or Experian scores. Reporting timeline discrepancies, information gets reported to the bureaus at different times. So, a recent late payment might show up on Transunion first, making your score temporarily dip. Credit inquiries. Every time you apply for a new credit card or loan, it triggers a credit inquiry which can slightly lower your score. The bureaus might not all receive these inquiries at the same time. Now, even though the exact number might bounce around a bit, the overall health of your credit score should be fairly consistent across the bureaus. If you see a significant difference, like 50 points or more, that's a red flag. It could indicate errors on your credit report, like fraudulent activity or mistaken identity. Here's the good news, you can get a free credit report from each bureau every year. This is your chance to become a credit report detective and sniff out any inaccuracies. If you find something wrong, you can dispute it with the credit bureau. But wait, there's more. While Transunion might give you your credit score, lenders use a different scoring model called FICO. FICO is kind of the industry standard, and there are different versions used for different types of loans. So, the score you see on your credit card app might not be the exact score a mortgage lender uses. Confused yet? Welcome to the wonderful world of credit. The key takeaway here is this, Transunion scores are a valuable tool, but they're not the only piece of the puzzle. Focus on building good credit habits, paying your bills on time, keeping your credit utilization low, and not opening too many new accounts at once. By following these steps, you can ensure that no matter which credit bureau a lender pulls your score from, it'll be a reflection of your financial responsibility. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.